When you're using Autodesk Inventor, work axes aren't just for modeling purposes, but they can also be used in the drawing environment. In this video, I'll show you how to place a work axis in the model and then import it into the drawing. In order to properly represent this model in the two-dimensional drawing environment, it needs the center lines for the slot in this top view right here that represent the end of the slot on this side and the end of the slot on this side. But I can't just come in and use this tool because it won't let me place it exactly where I want it to be. It may be close on this end, and that one might work, but when I get to the other end over here, it's not quite as easy. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to go back to your model and include a work axis. If I open up the model, you'll see here it is. And what I want to do is I want to include a work axis at the center of this cylindrical surface and then also at the center of this cylindrical surface. To do so, you simply go up here to your Work Features option and you choose Work Axis, and then you can simply choose that inside surface and you'll see that it places the work axis there. I'll repeat it for the other side. So I'll turn this around and zoom in a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Say, pick that surface there. And now those are included in the model. I'll do a quick save. Then going back to the drawing environment, I want to bring those work axes into this model. So I have to identify which view this is. If I click on it here, you'll see that it highlights this view over here in my history browser. So now I can expand that history browser and expand the part itself, control arm, and down here at the bottom you'll see that there is work axis 1 and work axis 2. Simply right click on each of those and choose include, and it will import them into your drawing, and then from here you can simply adjust the size as necessary so that your drawing is complete.